things along the way.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
I'm faster because they're showing their highlights on social
I'm going
media.
to become a millionaire. I'm going to create other multi-millionaires.
I've kind of like been in that since middle school.
Mainly ways just get a stable job, hopefully travel the world and stuff, go different places.
Think about this right now while I'm here is to help get you guys clarity on what's next for your life. And that pertains to all parts of life. So no matter whatever you want to be or do, DGM, sports broadcaster, have people start your businesses, the whole nine, travel the world, you have to understand that you have to work in order to be able to do those things. And what you put in work towards something, that's when you get the results. I provide people with structure, techniques and strategies in order to really magnify their mind, their thoughts, and manifest their outcomes. Focus on generational blessings. And be the person in your family that changes your family dynamic forever. Forever. Take pride in wanting to be that person to change your family dynamic forever. We're going to receive small. We think bigger, bolder, brighter. We're going to receive bigger, bolder, brighter. Abundantly. Son, niece, nephew, mom, dad, write their name down. Proud of you, and you know who believes in you. Be intentional with their name. Next, I want you to make a promise to them. Let them know, Johnny, I promise to always make you proud of me. So their name and say, I promise to always make you proud of me. You're going to say back, what you talking about? They're going to say a question mark. Your reply is, just hold me accountable. So now I got to do it. Now I got to do it. Now I got to make you proud every day. I just told you I was going to do it. I'm a denominator between everybody in this world. It's going to be something that's going to create adversity, an adversity moment in all of our lives. No matter who you are, where you're from, what hood, what city, what middle class, high class, lower class you're ever from, adversity is going to hit all. And again, mentally, physically, emotionally, you believe in yourself. You take time for yourself to realign your thoughts each and every day. Adversity is going to be something that's guaranteed, which is why you have to realign your mind every day. Before I go harsh, I just knew he was going to make it. My dad was my Superman. I was blessed to have my mom and dad in my life, majority of my life until I was 21. I was blessed, thankful for that. But that day, May 9, 2008, I lost my dad. And his last words to me would be, I'm going to be there for you. But at 21 years old, I didn't understand that he meant more so spiritually versus physically. It's important that you believe in yourself, because what happens is, when you strongly believe in yourself, other people start to believe in you.